How to request a GTIN exemption. Amazon stores millions of products in its warehouses. To keep track of all inventory, the retail giant relies on TINs. What is GTIN? GTIN is short for Global Trade Item Number. It is a unique product identifier printed underneath an item's barcode. You can apply for GTIN exemption here. Before you apply, make sure you have the following: product name and a minimum of 2, and maximum of 9, images showing all sides of your product and the packaging of the product. Ensure below mentioned guidelines are met. Brand name entered during application process should be an exact match to brand name available on the product and/or packaging. Images should be real-world pictures of the products and packaging, meaning the product and packaging need to be held in hand, or placed on a table while clicking the picture. Branding is permanently affixed on the packaging and/or product. Products should not have GS1 approved barcode available on the product and/or packaging of the product. If a GS1 approved barcode is available, you can make use of same to list products instead of applying for GTIN exemption. Once you have your product images, follow the steps below to apply for a GTIN exemption. 1. On the Apply for a GTIN exemption page, click the Select button and then select the relevant product category from the pop-up list. 2. Type the brand or publisher name in the brand/publisher field. For unbranded items and bundles, type generic, case-sensitive. Tip: you can apply for multiple exemptions, up to 10, by clicking plus Add More Brands/Publishers to add brands or publishers under the same category and click plus Add More Categories to add new categories. 3. Click the Check for Eligibility button. An eligibility summary will appear. A check mark will appear in the status column if you are eligible for an exemption. If your product is not eligible for a GTIN exemption, you will not be able to continue. 4. If your product is eligible for exemption, click the Continue to Submit Proof button. 5. On the Provide Proof page, upload your images. Provide the product name and upload images showing all sides of the same product. 6. Repeat step 5 for all products in your exemption request. Click Submit Request. There you have it. You will receive an email within 48 hours regarding the approval status of your request. Alternatively, you can check the status of your request in your case log.